Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Soul Journey. So as I said, like in the poll that whichever poll will win, I will go according to that when it comes to the frequency of reading. So per week 2 readings has like that option as one with the 50% approximately. So I've decided to go for the 2 readings and around 10 to 13 minutes long. Plus I'm thinking of doing a quick reading, pick a card every Sunday. That will be like what will happen in the next 1 week. So that will be very quick energy update, 5 to 6 months reading. You will just get a glimpse of, you will get some information, you will get some advices when it comes to that how you should go for the next week. So that will also have 3 options and I am thinking of that. So let me know in the comment section below if you're up for that, if you want me to do that. Okay, so let's start this reading. And today's reading is again a love reading. Next week I will do 1 love reading and 1 reading for the month of November. So yeah, that is my schedule for the next week. So for this week, today's question is, what will be their next move? So we will look into their energy a little bit and then we'll look deeply into what they are like thinking about their next move towards you. Okay, so if you want to know about that thing, then you're most welcome. Those people who are already my subscriber, thank you so much for being becoming the part of Happy Soul Journey family. And those who are new to my channel, welcome guys. I hope you like my readings and I hope it will give a smile to you or hope to you or some kind of a solution to you. I am Chetna and I'm doing reading from the last 4 years, and tarot has taught me a lot and grown me up as a better person. Okay, so I hope that happens for you also. And if you're new to the pick a card reading, you just need to calm yourself down, center yourself, just take few deep breaths and then ask yourself that this is my question. Like, ask your question and where my answer will be. If you get attracted to any one of these piles, go for that, listen to that. This is a general reading, so you'll get few messages for you and you will know that what's for you and what's not. So what's not for you, just let it go, okay, because that will be for someone else. So today's option is, this is sky blue tile, pink tile, green tile. So we have 3 options: sky blue, pink, green. So we'll start with the sky blue pile. Okay, so let's start. So we will first of all have few tarot cards. Just a second, guys. Okay, so this will be your advice, so I'm keeping it here and let's see that what this person is currently like, their energy towards you. What's their energy towards you? What's their overall energy? Pile number 1, what's the energy? Ooh, total romance. Okay, so yes, this person appreciates you a lot. I was already like having this card on my mind, appreciation. So this person really appreciates you for who you are. Secondly, this person has romantic feelings for you, that is very sure. See, if you're born on 3rd or 6th, so if you're born on that, then this is a special message for you guys, that this person that you are thinking about is actually have a strong feeling for you. So that is special message. And this person has very deep feelings for you. I am just seeing like this water on the other side of the door, and there is like water. It seems to me like there's a lot of emotions, there are a lot of feelings that this person feels for you. Again, there is a lot of greenery there, and greenery is like giving me a feeling of heart chakra here for you. And yes, it's like this person feels true love for you. If someone is like, if your person is born in autumn season or you are born in autumn season, then this is a special message. And if you both of you are born in a same season, like very close to the months are very close, then this is again a special message for you. I am seeing like you both are very very similar in nature. That's how this person feels. I'm not saying that you actually are same, but I'm getting a feeling that this person feels like that you both have similar kind of nature, similar kind of dreams and hopes, and your desires are very similar. So they feel like you both share a same kind of goal. So it will be very good to be very, it is very easy to be compatible with you, because, and also the values and morals that share is very similar. This person thinks like that, but on that, like with that similarity, there is a difference also, which they appreciate a lot. Earlier I said that they appreciate you for who you are, and so they appreciate you for your similarity, and they appreciate you for the difference. So there is definitely, if similarity is there, then the similarity is like it's not similar, it's like twins, it's like same. But when there is a difference between both of you, it's like polar apart. It's not like little bit, it's poles apart, or it's like just same. Okay, so that kind of extreme nature you both share with each other. So this person thinks like that. So let's have what's this person's next move towards you. So yes, this person has romantic feelings, they love you, they appreciate you. Again, if when I pick the options before I pull the cards, so that options means a little bit, and whenever in between the reading I get the message, I speak about it. So for you, I'm getting communication with the throat chakra. Okay, so don't try to be smart in the next reading, because for some of you, I'm not getting throat chakra, I am getting the sky, the limitlessness of sky. This person, the way this person feels is limitlessness of sky, and for few of you there is communication here. Okay, so message is not about chakra and all the colors. It just whatever I get when I look at that option. Okay, so for few of you, it's like very limitless love. This person is like love you to the core. Okay, so let's have some cards, and this is like giving me a same feeling of the water, like emotions, a lot of emotions. So what what this person's next move towards you? Ooh, Knight of Swords, Gemini, communication. It could also be short distance travel towards you, and it will be in a very rush and very sudden decision that they want to come towards you. So it will be a sudden communication, a very small communication, or very sudden like travel. travel plans, a very sudden decision to do something, but it will be for a very short period of time. Okay, I'm not seeing a very long conversation, a very deep conversation. I'm just seeing communication or travel for a like very little time. Okay, so the next card is Seven of Cups. So yes, there's some kind of illusion here. Okay, death. Okay, so if this person is a Gemini, okay, or Scorpio, Pisces, and Sagittarius. Okay, so I'm getting a feeling this is like special message for, but regardless of the signs of your person, I'm getting a feeling that this person is right now having a lot of thoughts in their mind, like what to do and what to do next. Like they have a lot of plans, a lot of thoughts, and after every thought there is like a series of thoughts that how things will, you know, happen, or what they will do, or how you'll react, or what will happen, like a very long series of thoughts for a one option. Like there's a lot of options, lot of thoughts, and lot to say, but they are just choosing that what to say first, or what to do first, or what will be the best thing to do right now. Okay, so they're choosing between a lot of thoughts, and that will be one small thing, like one small talk, one small meeting, or one small travel plan. So very small, like little time you both will spend, and they are planning for that thing. So that will be the first thing on their mind, like that will be the best thing to do, the first thing among this list of things. So I am seeing that, first of all, I was getting the feeling that it will be the it will happen for a very little amount of time, whatever they will do, like communicate or travel, but it is just one of the plan in the series of the plan that they are like thinking about. Okay, and this person wants a drastic change in this connection. It will be like one level up of this connection. If you both are already in connection, it could be that they want to share it with their friends and family about you. If you both are not in a connection right now, not in a relationship right now, then this person is planning to have a relationship. If this is like haven't talked ever with each other, and this is like first conversation. Okay, so there will be like, there is a, I'm getting a feeling that there is a huge hesitation or huge like a pressure of doing something, and with this little thing they just want to release that pressure, so that the initiation or the breaking of the ice, or you get their intentions like straight away. So it will be a straight away conversation about this thing, that what exactly this person wants, and it will be initiation of that thing. So there's a lot on this person's mind, but they will reveal their cards slowly, one by one. Okay, so just yesterday I was just reading a book, and they were talking about magic of number 7, and it is like a lot of things in the world is like 7, and there is a like research of some kind that our brain can take care of only 7 units at a time. So we just so maybe you are taking all the space in their mind, because they are having 7 units, and though all those 7 units are about you. You can you Google about this magic of number 7. There's 7 wonders, there's 7 color, there's 7 the strings, like what they say. What do we see, like the piano, that 7 thing? I'm just forgetting it. So that is like you are taking all the space in their mind, so they are planning to do one thing at a time, and it will be something big, good, and you like it. Okay, yeah, definite one. Travel. Whatever they are planning, we have like different kind of personalities in us. Like when we talk to ourselves, one side of us is say that you should do this, other side of say you should not do this, and other side of say that, oh, I am very shy to do it, there's a little bit of fear. Other side of us says, you can do it, have some courage, you can do it. So different like person inside them is talking to them, and one of the person like looking at them like this, the corner of their eyes, like, what took you so long to do this? Why you're taking so much time? I don't understand. Okay, so that's what their dialogue is. So let's have some cards from this, that what this person wants to say to you. Planning is going on, guys. That's what I was talking about. So planning is going on about something, and they have strong feelings for you, so everything is sorted here. Okay, so let's have a advice. What's the advice for you? Blue Heron. Blue Heron is talking about make a stand for what you believe in and do what feels right in spite of any judgment or disapproval from others. So this is very self-explanatory, guys, that you should take a stand for what you want to do and don't think about the other people, not your friends, not what other will say, what I should do, what other person think about me, I'm suitable for this person or not, or a lot of questions in your mind. Don't think about those negative stuff. There's a lot of potential in you. This person actually see your potential. They see your beauty. One more article I started to read, but I haven't completed it. So that article, the title of that article was why blue color in the nature is so rare. I think you should read that. Okay, and you got the blue this and the blue heron, so this is very like, you are rare. Why blue color in the nature is very rare. I think this article is uploaded today only. You can search for it on the Google, why blue color in nature is so rare. So you are rare. Okay, blue. That was the message for blue, that you are rare. Okay, so you should understand about that. So let's wrap it up on that note. If you want a private reading, let me know in the comment section below, as well as you can contact me on the Gmail. I have given all the information in the description, plus all the details of reading is there, plus there is offer that I'm running. You can get to know about that in the description. So bye. If you have any kind of suggestion for me, let me know. Bye, guys. Hello, pile number 2. So if you have chosen the pink option, so let's see, this will be your advice. So we will look into this at the end. First of all, we'll ask about that, what's their overall energy towards you. What's the overall energy of person of interest of pile number 2? What's pile number 2? What's the overall energy? Pile number 2, what's the... Okay, walking away. And under deck is door to personal healing. Okay, so this person is right now thinking of making a distance from you, because they feel like they need to balance themselves. Okay, they also feel like there's a need of personal healing, plus there is some financial or value issue, like do they value themselves much. I feel this person wants to have much more trust in themselves. They are trying to work on that, and right now the energy is that they have to make a distance or create a distance between both of you. They are right now in the energy of walking away from you because they want to have something in them which they feel valuable, which they feel balanced, which they feel is awesome. They want to feel good about themselves. Okay, so let's see what's their next move. So the energy is right now towards you is that, you know, even if they are walking away, it's not like they don't have any feelings for you. They are still like looking at you, looking at the connection, looking at the past. Or if this person has walked away from you, this person is in the energy of like, because I walked away for this reason, XYZ reason, I cannot give up working on that. Okay, so I cannot give up working on that. So let's see what this person's next move towards you. Okay, so there is Six of Wands, High Priestess, and one more card. Or if you have walked away from this person to create some value in your life, then that is also a message that they are thinking about that thing. But their next move towards you, see, there is like, you know, I'm getting number 6 here. Okay, number 6. Okay, so we are getting like two sides of a woman. One is who is very, 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 very like in their intuition, so much in the 5D, and the other woman is so much in the 3D. So they see you as like person, and again I'm seeing a balance between 3D and 5D, intuition and the fact. And we got the Hierophant. So this person is trying to become a Hierophant or High Priestess for you because they see you as that valuable. 6 number is again a balance thing, so there needs to be a balance. So they are trying to create a balance between both of you. This is again a spiritual energy. This wand is for me the spirit's energy, and this is like Pentacle is about the earth. So I'm getting a balance between the spirituality and earthy thing. So they are trying to create that balance and they are working on it. They are so solid cards which is coming here, guys, for you. Very, very big cards when it comes to value creation. Empress, Hierophant and High Priestess is a very valuable person. Okay, you cannot pinpoint, you can pinpoint towards the Emperor that the Emperor is somewhat sometime a stubborn person. But you cannot say anything wrong about Empress upright. You cannot say anything wrong about High Priestess upright. You cannot say anything about a Hierophant upright. Now, whenever I'm pulling cards and I get first or second card as a High Priestess, see, if I get the first card as a High Priestess, then the cards are telling me you don't need to ask anything. The person for whom you are reading cards don't need to know anything right now about this question. It needs to be secret. So don't try to dig it. Okay. But when I get it as a second or third card, because I normally pull 3 cards, that means whatever you got in the previous cards, there's nothing more you need to know right now. So 6 of Wands is telling me that this person will win. This person will accomplish for whatever they are like going forward, or they have went towards, they are on the verge of, or they will definitely accomplish that thing. There will be victory on whatever the goals this person has on their mind, and you don't need to know anything after that, because whatever is this is just a repeating of message that, you know, there's a mutuality, there's this or that. Hierophant is also about commitment. Empress is also about energy of wife, okay, or your spouse, and very valuable spouse who create and who is growth oriented, who has a lot of love in his or her heart. So there's the sense of mutuality. Again, Six of Pentacles is also a card for me where you count your blessings based upon what you have done in the past. So this is like whatever they done or whatever you both have went through, if that is some kind of separation, if that is some kind of silence period, if that is some kind of distance, that if this person has to go for study abroad, or you have to create a distance between both of you because you wanted to achieve something and you have to live in the different cities, or you both have to go through like silence period because you both want to concentrate on your career, or you want to concentrate on this or that thing. So whatever you both have went through, it could also be because of the corona that we have went, we all went through that corona phase where people were unable to be in the physical presence of each other. It was very difficult to travel towards anyone. It was difficult to share the feelings that the other person is feeling at the different place. It was difficult, struggling time for everyone. Okay, so wherever you both have suffered through to reach whatever the goal is, it is accomplishing, and you both are winning, and seems to me a win-win situation, and this person is accomplishing for whatever they went through, like whatever they set their mind to. Okay, so what this person wants to say to you, so they will accomplish. That will be the next step, and after that, whatever happened. Oh, I was talking about Emperor, and Emperor wants to come out, take the lead, responsibility. This person wants to say to you that you need to take a lead in your life. Okay, secondly, they are taking the lead and responsibility in their life. Now we got this couple, okay, and this is Emperor. So we got another couple. So we got the 5D couple, and then we will get the 3D couple. So you both are in the 5D together. Spiritually you both are really connected, but in the 5D it's time to be together. And there is a lot to say and lot to do. I'm seeing a very attractive energy. There is attraction, there is like missing the other person, and cannot don't want to be away from the other person kind of energy. So there will be some kind of action that is going to happen soon. Okay, and this person is working on it, and they will be successful. So you don't have to be worried about that they will be successful or not, because they will. Now, dog. So your advice is, dog, your loyalty and faithfulness is misplaced by serving too many masters. Now, this is talking about don't listen to other people, just listen to your heart and be loyal to it. Okay, now I'm getting a feeling there's a lot of leaves here, which you are, maybe, I don't know, you are able to see or not, around, like, because this is very shadowy, but green leaves around this dog, which is again giving me a feeling of growth. Okay, and this is heart chakra. Pink color is about healed heart chakra. If you see, there's a lot of pink in this card, so this person is healing their heart and they want you to heal your heart. So personal healing, heal your heart, balance, accomplishments coming together. Both are taking lead in the situation. They want you to take a lead, and don't feel like that you both will be failure, or this connection will be failure, because this connection is set out for success. Okay, because people have worked hard for it. So that was your reading, guys. If you whatever you felt about it, let me know in the comment section below. I will feel good that it helped you in any way. If you want a private reading with me, and then you can go to description box below, and you can go through all the readings that I offer. Plus I am running a Diwali offer, a Diwali gift for you people. So I'm giving 35% off on the new clients and 45% off on the old clients. So if you're an old client, then please reach out to me through the email. If you have that old email, then go through that, or I have to check it in my PayPal that you have booked a reading with me. If I remember normally, then that's okay, because I have a lot of conversation with people who take reading for me, so I normally remember their name. Whenever they reach out to me, I recognize them. Okay, so that was that, guys, and I love you. And I'm thinking of doing a quick energy update for the week in the coming Sundays. So let me know if you're interested in that. Okay, bye. Hello, pile number 3. If you're choosing the green tile, so let's see. This will be your advice, so we will look into that at the end. Okay, so let's have some energy update of your person, like what's the overall energy towards you right now, and then we will look into their next step. Okay, so what's this person's energy towards you right now? One last time. So what's the energy? There's definitely some hesitation here, guys. They want to tell you something and then they say, oh, and then they say, oh, strategy. So that's what I said, right? That they want to say something to you and they are like, no, something else. No, something else. Go to romance. Ooh. News. If you have also felt a pull towards the pile number 1, then I would suggest go for it, because pile number 1 got these 2 cards. Okay? Action. So do I need to read about anything else? Oh no. Sorry guys, let me have some water. Okay, so this person is actually thinking really hard to act upon something, and they are strategizing about it, and they are thinking so much about that thing, and they're just rejecting their ideas, like no, that will not be good. Then they think about something and they're like, oh wow, that is so good, and then they think about, oh no, that will be very lame. Okay, so they want to do something here, they want to act upon something, but they are thinking like, no, think about something better, you can do better. Okay, they appreciate you a lot, and that is just going without, I don't have to say that, because they are thinking a lot about you. So definitely they definitely appreciate you, they definitely have strong feelings for you. So it's not just about a friendship thing, it's love. Okay, do I need to pull any more cards? But I will, I will pull more cards, because because I saw this 4 of Wands reverse under deck. So I will pull more cards, because this person is really in their head, guys, about something very big. It could be big as big as confession of, or proposal, confession of the thing that they have marriage on their mind. But it seems so lame. I don't know why it seems so lame in their mind. For few of you, it could be that you already had that kind of conversation, but they want to just put a stamp on it again and again. So it seems so lame. It can also be a thing where they have promised you something earlier, but they couldn't follow through that, and it feels so lame that I said this thing earlier but I couldn't do it. So if I say it again, then the other person will definitely not believe it. So it's so lame to do that. I don't know why that lame word is coming, because this person is really seeing looking down upon themselves about something that they're thinking about. So they're very confused at what they should do, and whatever they do, how it will, unfold. So let's have some cards, some more cards. What's their next move towards pile number 3? Oh, so many cards. Want to see so many cards? Okay, let's take it, because earlier it was like cards were like jumping, but it was going back again in the deck. So if these amounts of card wants to come, I'll take it. So yes, they are not happy where they are. They are not satisfied. They want to make a change. Okay, this message wants to come, take a lead. So this person wants to take a lead and do something about it. Okay, so yeah, let's see the cards. First card is Page of Cups. Page of Cups is talking about small offer, small gesture, apology. Definitely, it could also be a little gift. If someone's birthday is coming, guys, this person wants to give you something which they seems lame right now, but they are strategizing about the birthday gift. Not any big life-changing situation, but they are strategizing about a birthday gift for you. Okay, now they see you as a very sexy, very attractive personality, very driven. They are like, they are just mesmerized by you, very much mesmerized by you. They want to give you flowers, okay, plus some materialistic thing, but there's definitely, I'm seeing some flowers for you, and for few of you I'm seeing pot. Like, I'm getting a feeling that they want to give you a plant, like a living plant in a pot, so you can take care of that plant because maybe you like it. I don't know if that is that planning, and maybe they are thinking that that is very lame gift, very small gift, you deserve more. Okay, now this was the thing about the gift, that for few of you they are planning, if there's nothing like big coming up, but for few of you it's very life changing. If you're not in a very normal kind of relationship, then this is about life changing conversation, like where they will, they are thinking a lot about it. It is like fighting a battle where they have to stand out and they have to put their point across so that they can win the battle, because they really want to win you, because they are not happy where they are. Okay, and this person definitely think that they need to learn a lot and do a lot, and they are ready for it. They are ready for fighting that battle, but it's just that they don't know what to do next. In the first pile, they were like, had a lot of ideas which they were like very good ideas, but they are trying to find the best out of it. But for you people, I think that this person is rejecting every idea. They don't find any good idea about what to do next and what's the steps that they should take next. So they are like very pessimistic, and this person like took a lot of faults, especially in themselves. So let's have what they want to say to you, what this person wants to say to pile number 3. See, again the cards are like coming, but they are okay. We got it. Karmic contracts. So this person thinks like there is obstacle in this connection. Okay, part of like group of people here, like your person actually say like, this is my karma, that I'm not getting through the situation, I'm not getting to him or her, this is my karma for something. And the other, for other group, they are saying that there are a lot of obstacle to cross. There's a lot of problems between both of us, or obstacle between both of us. It is really difficult, but I don't have any other option. You know, I have to take a lead. Anything else for pile number 3? Neutral, unity, and sowing. So this is about beginning of something. So they want to take a lead to begin something. And again, sowing word is coming. So for Queen of Wands again. So Queen of Wands and sowing word is coming. So for few of you, I'm actually thinking that this person wants to gift you a pot, a flower pot maybe. Yeah, it's so cute. If someone gives me a flower pot, I will be so happy. Like small, cute, like the inner plants, nahi hote, the plants like jade or money plant, like that. I'll be so happy. So your person is like clappings, and you got green colors. There's definitely a pot is coming for someone. Definite one. Someone is getting a pot. Whomsoever got that gift, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll cheer up for you. And again, a lot of green. So there is a growth, potential of growth, blossoming, abundance. Again, blossoming things is there. And this person is rejecting because they want a best thing. Like, they will do something. Yeah, this person deserves you. Man holding a coin. Oh, I was talking about indecision, and the indecision card wants to come. So I will not pull more cards because it will be a lot. So it's like, yes, this person wants to grow something with you, a lot of abundance, and this person actually want to talk about stability. It's not like I want to give it a chance kind of conversation. It is that I'm sure about it. What do you think about it? That kind of conversation. Peacock, again, a lot of green. Whew, you got a green, baby. Let yourself stand out and be noticed. So I am getting first statement which is coming to me is that be pretty you. Okay, you are really pretty. Be pretty you, and whatever you feel that you should do about your aesthetic, do it if you like or want to do it. Not because you want the other person to like you. It's like if you want to like put some lipstick on your lips, do it. If you don't like it, don't do it. If you like to have some fragrance, the peachy fragrance, or some strong fragrance, you want to use that kind of fragrance, use it. Okay, don't think about that it will disturb other people, some of the people, because it's your body. If they want to be around you, then that's their thing. They have to think about it, but concentrate on your, if you like it, do it. Okay, period. Secondly, there is, for few of him, getting a feeling that you have a confidence, you have a spark, but you feel like if you will show that spark to other people, or you will stand out in a very confident light, then people will see you as very arrogant person. Don't think like that. Even if you, that's the feeling when it comes to this person, that it will come out like that. Again, there's a lot of 3 here. 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 33, 4 and 3, and this is 6. So 3 or 6. If your birthday is 3rd or 6th or June or March or spring season, then this is a special message. Okay, a lot of green, spring season, definite one. Okay, so for the first pile, I think I said autumn season, and for you people, spring season is coming. So it could be that you both, or either one of you like have a birthday in spring season, or there's something special that happened in the spring season or will happen in the spring season. But this definitely, they want one word. If I say their next move towards you, blossom. Blossoming the flower of love with you. Okay, so you need to be confident and be you. Don't think about anything else. Okay, yeah, so that was your reading, guys, and I pumped you up a lot. So stay happy and be you, believe in you. Okay, so let's wrap it up on that note. If you have any kind of topic in your mind that you want me to do a reading on, let me know in the comment section below. I will try to include that. I'm doing a quick pick a card reading on Sunday for the next week. Like it will be very quick, like 5 to 6 minutes per pile. So stay tuned for that. If you are new to my channel, I'm Chetna and I hope that you liked it and you subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in private reading, I'm running an offer, a very big Diwali gift for you people. 35% off on the new clients and 45% off for the old clients. So if you're interested in a private reading, definitely go for that. This kind of offer I don't give normally, like 45% and 35%, it's a lot. So it'll, like, the schedule will be according to how many readings come, but normally it will be, I think, 3 to 4 days. It will be like waiting period will be 3 to 4 days, and this offer is only till 4th of November, so hurry up. Okay, so see you in the next reading. Bye. If you want to follow me on the Instagram for the daily feed, go for that. Bye.